We're keeping an eye on that Arctic air that is going to be settling into the lower 48 now through the end of the month. Very cold air mass, and in fact, some of the coldest air of the season for many. We're looking at the western wildfires and snowfall potential and that southern severe weather threat along with some rain. But we'll head up to Fargo, North Dakota, the Red River Valley. This is along the North Dakota and Minnesota border. You can actually see a little bit of snow accumulating there. Ely, Minnesota, also seeing some accumulating snow. There might be a strip of about 4 to 6 inches within this particular band. Now, this storm system that we're looking at earlier this week coming in a couple of different rounds. The northern branch maybe seeing a little more, upwards of 3 to 6 inches, and that southern branch could see a little more as you head up into the Great Lakes region. But to follow that, the very cold air, International Falls, the official icebox of the nation, dropping down into the sub-zero range for daytime highs Christmas Eve and Christmas Day. Overnight lows may be dropping down into the teens and 20s below zero. Here's a look at Christmas Day. Much of the nation will be well below average. Daytime highs in Houston at 50 degrees and Minneapolis at 4 above. So this is going to be a very cold air mass. And then all the way through the end of the month and even through early January, much of the nation colder than average. Again, this is the culprit. This is the storm that will be pulling down that colder air. It is bringing with it quite a bit of wintry weather to the northwest and the Intermountain West. Could see some isolated 3 to near 4 foot amounts in the highest elevations of the central and the northern Rockies, so quite a bit there. Meanwhile, that storm system is kicking up the winds. We have red flag warnings and fire weather watches now through the end of the week. Today it's just an elevated threat, but tonight and tomorrow we have critical fire weather concerns. And an update on that Thomas fire, 272,000 acres, the second largest wildfire in California state history, 60% contained. We're also tracking some severe weather potential in the Gulf Coast states today.